Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the TS Betterment exam. Applying for this exam can seem daunting, but with a clear guide, it's quite straightforward. We will walk through each step, ensuring you understand the process from start to finish. Our goal is to make your application experience as smooth and easy as possible, helping you avoid common pitfalls and ensuring a successful submission. Let's get started. Before you begin the online application, it is crucial to have all your documents prepared. This includes your previous academic mark sheets, a clear passport-sized photograph, and a scanned copy of your signature. Also, ensure your identification proof, like an Aadhaar card, is readily available. Having these items organized will save you significant time and prevent any last-minute rush, making the application process much more efficient. Now, let's dive into the online application form itself. First, access the official portal and locate the Betterment exam application link. Carefully fill in all your personal and academic information, double-checking for any errors. Next, upload the scanned copies of your documents, ensuring they meet the specified file size and format. Take about 5 to 10 minutes to thoroughly review every detail before proceeding. The final steps involve paying the examination fee and submitting your application. Choose your preferred online payment method, such as net banking or a debit card, and complete the transaction securely. The fee is typically around 200 to 500 rupees, depending on the subject. Once payment is successful, download and print the confirmation page. Remember to keep your unique application number safe for all future correspondence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.